guys, and welcome to today's video. As the title says, today we are doing a September Ipsy unbagging. Not too much to say about this. It feels very small this month, but good things sometimes come in small packages. If you are a Canadian like me and you are looking to get Ipsy, it costs about $20 Canadian per month. It varies a little bit with the exchange rate, somewhere between like $19 and $21. So let's see what I got. If you guys like seeing these unboxings and unbaggings on my channel, I didn't always used to do these, but I kind of enjoy doing them on camera. Give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comments if you want me to continue doing these every month. So sometimes you get things outside of the bag. It doesn't feel like I have that this time. Okay, and a very cute little bag this month with the eyelashes. Just, it's a very canvasy feeling bag. It's not the plastic that you sometimes get, which is kind of nice. Okay, yeah, it feels very small this month. So let's start with this, which is some kind of pencil. Nope, this is a Luxie brush. It's a different kind. The Luxie that we usually get is with the pink handle. This one says good night on it, and it is black and red with sort of a reddish gold ferrule. That's an interesting shape to a brush. It's round, but it's flat. I actually have no idea what you would use that for. What is this to be used for? It's a 110 brush. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that further. I mean, it's kind of neat that the bristles are that sort of deep red color. I just have no idea. I mean, concealer? It feels like it's too big and flat to blend anything on the eye. Okay. Okay, there's a little pot. I'm gonna go for that next. Brand I've never heard of. This is called M Princess, and this is a Pretty Petal eyeshadow. So this is a loose eyeshadow pigment. It's all sort of taped shut here. Let me get that open. It is really taped over the holes of the sifter here. So it sort of looks like an iridescent pink color. Let's do a little bit of a swatch with this. I'm gonna have this all over my hands, but let's see if I can do a swatch in focus. Can you see that? I can sort of see it a bit more on my finger here. It's definitely a pink with a gold reflect. I actually think that's quite pretty. It could be something that is sort of a nice pop without being too overwhelming. Like it almost seems like impactful but subtle at the same time. So I'm interested in learning more about that brand, and I'd be happy to share that with you. I can do a video about that product. Okay, a lot of little things in this bag. This definitely feels like a pencil of some kind. Okay, so this is a Lord & Berry Flash Purple Eye Pencil. I'm actually quite excited about this, first of all because it's not the usual black or brown eye pencil, but also because I've tried Lord & Berry eye pencils before and I really like them. So I'm hoping that this works as well as the black one that I've tried because it was so good. And this is an absolutely beautiful bright purple color. Yeah, see, that's really nice and very like it went on really easy and creamy. So I feel like that would be really nice in the waterline. Okay, there's another pencil-y feeling thing, so I'm gonna go for that. I feel like I could have said this was a Trestique thing without even opening it because of the shape of this. So this is a Trestique English Rose Mini Lip Glaze. So yeah, that looks like a very glossy kind of color. It looks like deep burgundy, but maybe it will go on a different color. I've had sort of hit and miss with Trestique. I feel like they're a little on the expensive side for what it is. I don't know that I need to do an entire video on this, but maybe I'll do a collection of get ready with me's with products that I haven't done reviews on because I actually have quite a few of them, and then we can talk about it at that point. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. Okay, so this is the very last product for the month, and it is apparently a lip balm. It is an organic peppermint lip balm. I actually love the scent and flavor of peppermint, so let me pop this open. Oh, that does smell really nice. So here we go. Overall, not my favorite month of Ipsy. This brush I'm gonna have to research for further because I have no idea what this would be useful for. I'm excited about this product because it's a product I haven't heard of before, and about the Lord & Berry eyeliner. This may end up being beautiful, who knows? I have to try that out. And I mean, it's nice to get a lip balm, and I do enjoy the smell of peppermint. But just overall, because I paid $20 for this, it means that every product should work out to $4 or more in value. I mean, I guess I got that. I don't really think that this would be a $4 product. You know, sometimes it wows you more than others. I'm not initially wowed by this, but at the same time, I can see actually using all of these products, and I don't always feel that way. So I'm gonna do some reviews on some of these. I'm going to put some of these into a get ready with me video. And yeah, that was my Ipsy for this month. So I would love to hear what you got in your Ipsy, if you got any of the same things that I did, what your impression was of this month, or just let me know what you might like to see videos on or products used, that sort of thing. Leave all that in the comments down below. I'm often down there in the comments every couple of days responding to things. I do try to respond to every comment that I get. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so by clicking on my face. I will make it pop up on this side, and I will also put one of my other videos up here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!